Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable BIOS self-healing on LENOVO V15. To enter BIOS, first you have to power off your PC completely, then start it by short pressing the power button, and then start immediately pressing F2 button until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. And then you can navigate here using left and right arrow keys to change the tabs, and to change the value, the selected value, you have to use up and down arrow keys. This way navigate to configuration menu, then select BIOS self-healing option, press enter, and change the value by selecting one of these two and pressing enter to confirm. To apply changes, press enter and press F10 and enter. To exit without saving changes, press escape, and to restore default settings, press F9. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.